Welcome to Dinky Tech's guide on how to sign up, download, install, and join a room using PalTalk Messenger. First, you want to head to PalTalk's site at www.paltalk.com. Once there, click on Get PalTalk Free. To join up, enter the username, password, and email address. Click the little button that says I am over the age of 16, and click the button that says Sign up and install PalTalk. Download PalTalk and run the installer. Now on the installer you can click on Custom Options. I recommend unchecking the Start PalTalk with Windows. Click on the I agree install button. Once installed, PalTalk should launch and log you in. If it does not, then double-click on the PalTalk icon on the desktop. Enter your username and password and click Login. To join a room you can click on the Browse Chat Room button. Click on All Rooms. You will see a list of categories and subcategories on the left. Choose one, then on the right you see the rooms in that category. Choose the room you want to enter and it will take you into that room. Thanks for watching this guide. I will be making more guides for PalTalk, so be sure to check them out.